on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're going to be back inside of our Moccasin module, and we're still inside of the section we started, the ZK sync setup. So that's our pickup from where we left off yesterday. We're going over step 4. We're going to start with writing and deploying smart contracts. Now that our environment is set up, we can write and deploy small contracts on the ZK sync network. Write our small contract in Solidity and save it in the context or the contracts directory. For example, create a file named mycontract.so. This is the directory we create to actually store our Solidity contract in. To deploy the contract, we create a deployment script in the scripts directory. For example, we create a script or a file named deploy.js with the following content. This is our script here to be a constant, ethers equals require hard hat, async function, main function inside of our main function. This is the code we would have here. This is our script. And what we're doing here is we're using hard hat to compile and deploy our contract to the ZK Sync network. Now, step 5 will consist of running the deployment script to deploy the contract, running the following command in the terminal. We would say npx hard hat run. We would say scripts /deploy.js -- network ZK sync. Now, this command will execute the deployment script and deploy the contract to the ZK sync network. And for the conclusion of this section here, let's move down a little bit. By following these steps, we can successfully set up our environment and deploy our small contracts on a ZK Sync Layer 2 scaling solution. This setup allows us to take advantage of faster and cheaper transactions while maintaining the security of the Ethereum mainnet. Now that's it for that section there, so we're going to be moving forward, so stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, this is the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.